Located in the foothills of Himalaya in the state of Uttarakhand is Rishikesh, which is the land of great saints, mystical stories, and now the yoga capital of the world. Rishikesh. The word can be derived from combining two Sanskrit words, Rishika meaning senses and Isha meaning the Lord. Thus, the name can be interpreted as the Lord of the senses, referring to Lord Vishnu. Hello and Namaste. Welcome to another episode of my Rishikesh Diaries. Today we are taking a 22-kilometer road trip to a mythological place called Neelkant Mahadev Temple, which is located in Kotdwar. If you are an adventure seeker and a trekker, then you can even take a trekking route to Neelkant Mahadev. Neelkant Mahadev Temple is located at the height of 1330 meters and it is at the confluence of the rivers Pankaja and Madhumati.
गाँव का नाम है तोली।
तोली। अच्छा।
ये हो गया नीचे तलाई, नीचे
दो गाँव है नीचे।
हाँ, ये तलाई और तोली।
Before you see the temple, let me tell you why this temple is so famous. But for that, we'll have to open one of the chapters from Bhagavad Puran called Samudra Manthan, which is one of Hinduism's 18th great Puran. It is believed that during Samudra Manthan, which is churning of the sea, many things came out from the ocean, like some gems, a wish-granting cow named Kamdhenu, a seven-headed horse named Uchay Shivas, Amrit, which was a nectar for immortality, and the most dangerous thing also emerged from the churning, which was a lethal poison known as halahal. The poison was terrible that it could destroy the creation of universe. Fearing gods then approached Lord Shiva, who consumed the poison, and as he drank, goddess Parvati, Shiva's wife, placed her hand on Lord Shiva's throat in order to prevent the poison from spreading in Shiva's body, which resulted in Lord Shiva's throat turning blue, and from then onwards he was named Neelkant. It is believed that the poison was consumed at the very place the temple is established now. And this is the sole reason why Neelkant Mahadev Temple is quite a famous pilgrimage for Hindus. Talking about the architecture of temple, it is influenced by Dravida style of temple architecture. And if you look closely at the Shikara, it has sculptures depicting the Samudra Manthan. There's also a dhuni burning since time immemorial.
यहाँ पे जो समुद्र मंथन हुआ था, उसके बाद जो यहाँ पे भगवान जी ने जो विष पिया था, उसके बाद यहाँ पे विष पीने के बाद यहाँ पे तपस्या की थी, अपना कंठ छोड़ दिया था, इसलिए इसको नीलकंठ कहते हैं.
So this makes the end of the video. If you're interested in exploring more, then you can hike your way to Jilmil Gufa, which is close by from the temple, and on your way back, you can even check out some of the waterfalls.